Yeah, hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at an app called socialgood. We're going to find out whether you can actually get the $200 sign-up bonus that they promise, and also can you actually get up to 100% back on any purchases you make through the app. Well, let's find out and go and have a look at the social good review that I've done, and find out exactly what it's all about and how you can get involved, and also whether it is actually worth getting involved. Okay, so we're going to jump straight in, and we've come on to the socialgood.inc website. Okay, now stay tuned right to the very end. We're also going to go into the app, live into that, and find out how you can go and get this $200 sign up bonus that they actually say that you can get on their website, and also whether you can actually go and get 100% crypto back on any purchases that you make through the app. So stay tuned for that. But as you can see here, like it says on the website, it does say you can earn up to 100% crypto back on everyday shopping for free. Now, with the actual app, you can actually get it through Google Play, and you can get it through App Store as well. So you can get it through both the app stores, so that is a good thing. You've also got, as they scroll down here, it also says they are mentioned, or they've got links on here to Entrepreneur, Forbes, all that sort of thing. So you can actually click on these, which is pretty good. And I clicked on the Entrepreneur one. Actually comes through to their Entrepreneur website, and as you can see, this is an article all about the Social Good app. That will gives you 100% crypto back on your daily shopping. So that is a fantastic thing, because let's face it, Entrepreneur are not going to have an article on their site that actually says come and use this app if it is not a legitimate way to actually go and earn and get what they're saying they're going to give you. So we've done a bit more diving into it. It also says they've got good socials, so we had a look at a couple of their socials. As you can see, this is their Facebook page, and they've obviously got reviews here of 3.7, which isn't that brilliant, but they've actually got nearly 3,000 people like the page, and over 3,000 people are also following the page. And as you can see, they're pretty up to date. They've got some posts going out fairly regularly here, which is a good sign. Again, lots of people are obviously liking it, and people are sharing it as well. So all in all, it looks as if it's a pretty safe bet and a pretty legit company. So let's go over to the Trustpilot. This is another good way of finding out whether a site is good. It's only got 56 reviews, which is a bit disappointing, but possibly a 4.1 grade of review here. So that's not too bad. One thing they haven't got, they haven't actually claimed their Trustpilot profile, so that's a little bit of a negative, but I think there's too many positives to outweigh it. But certainly go through this. As you can see, they've had over 80% either great or excellent on their reviews, but again, some of these are obviously saying it's a scam, that sort of thing. So have a read through and go and check that out before you join. So let's go back to the website here, and as you can see here, you've basically got to download the app, then you can go and do normal shopping on the stores through the app, and you can earn up to 100% crypto back on the partnered stores. Now we're going to show you what those partnered stores is very, very shortly, so stay tuned for that. We're going to go inside the app. You can also stake your actual social good tokens, which is what you're actually going to get. So you can actually stake them as well and earn up to 15% on them. Again, more on that once we go inside the app. You can also exchange the social good crypto coin for Bitcoin or USD on all other major exchange platforms. So you can exchange it for Bitcoin as well. Now it says here they've got 1,800 partnered online stores, and again we'll go more into that, and I think that will depend on what country you're in as opposed to what is actually available. But as you can see, they've got some big names here: eBay, Best Buy, Walmart, AliExpress, that sort of thing. So some really big names that have actually partnered with them. Okay, so these are the different levels you can get as well. Obviously bronze, silver, gold, and again we'll go more into that and we'll show you about that when we go inside the app. Some of the crypto exchanges that they are married to are obviously Bittrex, Bitmart, and Uniswap. So again, they are very big names within the crypto market. So again, that all looks pretty good to me. A couple more there, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So like I say, very easy to go and get started. All you need to do is go over to the Google Play or the Google App Store. I was obviously going to download it from Google Play. And as you can see here, they've got over 7,000 reviews. And that's at a rate of 3.5. So they've got. It's also saying here that eBay is not supported store anymore. So the pictures used are somewhat misleading. The app and the buying and earning process does not work, however. So again, there are certain issues here, and that was only done a few days ago, about 4 or 5 days ago. But again, we're going to go and check that out very shortly inside the app. Okay, before we do that, let's just go on to the About Us tab on the website. Now, there's more about the project there that you can actually read. And also the number of the social good users, certainly over the last few months, as you can see, has actually skyrocketed very, very quickly. They've also got members of their team here, and that's good to see. They're obviously all members of the team here, and they've also got links to a LinkedIn profile, which again is a very good thing, and it's quite a transparent thing. So you can literally just click on these, open it in a new tab. And as you can see, you can actually check out the SEO of Social Good Foundation on his LinkedIn profile as well. Now, I mean, obviously this is all could be fake, but I don't think they go to that sort of level to actually try and put up a false actual LinkedIn profile and get over 500 connections. So he's got over 500 connections, guys. So I think this is a legit account here, definitely. So it's all, again, looking pretty good for the socialgood Inc. company. Okay, so before we go, let's jump over to the app and check out inside the app, so you'll be able to see exactly how it all works and how you actually move forward with the Social Good app. Okay, so we've come onto the Social Good app here, and as you can see, it starts by obviously going through the exchanges, and you can buy from these exchanges here, so you can set that up. And again, it goes through those very easily. It says about connecting your wallet. So that's something you've got to obviously do. And it says about getting staking rewards. So let's go over to quickly the shopping area and find out exactly where and who you could actually do business with. So let's click on the shopping tab here. And as you can see, this opens up. And these are the trending stores. You can click on more here as well. So as you can see here from this, you've obviously got AliExpress, which you can get 100% back, but certain sites such as booking.com, so if you wanted to choose that and you went in through and you shopped through booking.com, this opens up, and as you can see here, you're only going to get 7% back. If you were to spend $100, you only get $7 worth of social good tokens back in advance. So remember, just check out what you're actually going to go and buy, because the majority of these, Adobe up to 24%, 25% there, 6%, 11%, 6.2% there. And like people were saying, there is no option of eBay here either, guys. There doesn't seem to be an awful lot. Although they say there are 1,800 retail outlets that you can actually buy from, we haven't got a lot here. I'm in the UK, so I would have thought that would have been quite a lot higher than what it actually is. It could take you quite a while to obviously build up enough to actually make any money out of this app. Now, obviously, if we go across to assets, like it said, it's got here that I've got a total of 196 SGs. And as you can see, I actually joined a couple of days ago, and it went up to 233. Remember, this is a crypto, so it's exactly the same, although it's a token, so it's going to fluctuate up and down, guys. So just be wary of that. The market rate here is 1 SG to equals $1 currently. So again, that will go up and down. So in order to get my actual $200 that they promised, you do have to go and actually spend up to $30 through one of the shops here. They've also got referrals up here, and as you can see, you could end up getting $200 worth of social good tokens. Again, once you've got for every qualified referral. So in other words, you get a referral in, they spend the $30 and they get their $200, and you get your another $200. They do need a personal invitation code, and obviously I've put my code down below here. If you did want to go and check it out, then obviously you can go and check it out using that code, and then you would get your $200 worth of social good tokens absolutely free, guys. So wrapping up, all in all, this could be worth going to have a go and seeing whether you can actually earn anything back on your purchases. But I might just give it a go, get the $200, and then obviously make some more videos as to see whether you can actually pull that that social good token out and swap it for Bitcoin and exchange that and then add that Bitcoin into one of my other wallets. So that would probably be useful to do in a future video. So make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel to check that out at a later date. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. These are all great ways that you can actually earn even more crypto and more cash through apps. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.